So, the kids know all about competition from sports day to grow up projects, and that's fine and all, but yes, a little competitive spirit never hurt anyone. But let's talk about the parents, the ones who think they're back in school and want to make sure that they have the best project and get upset when their child doesn't win the race. So we're going to give you the list in a moment. But first, check out this Dr. Phil interview.
Well, good news. Deion Sanders is here.
Feel that mom
Okay.
3 basketball teams one time.
So I have a confession to make, right?
That's you?
No. But my daughter has asked me now to stay away from her events because apparently I'm noisy. So I scream when she's performing and I cry because I'm so proud. And she had a talk with me about 2 weeks ago because she has a ballet exam coming up and she was like, Mommy, please don't come. And I was like, Erin, what do you mean? And she was like, you embarrass me. My 7-year-old daughter told me. And I said, what do you mean? And she says, well, when you scream and you cry, it's embarrassing. So I don't think I'm the competitive parent.
You're just an embarrassing parent. But that's fine, though.
No, apparently it's not because it makes...
Meaning what? Well, I'll say this about your parenting. The fact that she could sit you down and express to you how she feels speaks a lot to your parenting. Because some kids would have just been embarrassed and can't say nothing. Would have just have beers and beers and beers. And then eventually just drop out of ballet because they don't want mommy to come and embarrass them.
Yeah, but so you know the good thing is that, and I think it's important for parents to understand that you push your child in the area of their passion. So what they tell you they want to do is where you push them. It's true, some of us do live vicariously through our children and we have our children doing 15,000 different things.
And they end up hating every single one.
Exactly. So now she says she wants to do X. I say, okay, you do X. She's excited to go to dance. She's excited to go to gymnastics. And I think that's important that your child likes what they're doing.
And also, they're kids.
Yes, we have to remember that.
So today they love swimming. Hey, my sister, used to pack up my 2 nieces, them in a soldier. Every Saturday morning, no matter how late she come in, she wake up, she drive them to the stadium, she come back home. Hey, one Saturday, and I land there half hour past, and she come back home, and she just step out of the car. So I say, what happened? Michelle say,
she doesn't.
2 little pitney them stand up and look on the water and start ball, so they're not going in the water.
They just don't want to do it.
I don't want to do swimming anymore.
You get the best out of them when they love what it is that they do.
Yeah. So that's kids, man.
Yeah.
So anyway, our producer came up with 5 signs to know if you're a competitive parent. 1, screaming instructions from the sidelines.
Cheers, maybe. No, not instructions. Just woo, 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 go, baby. All right, that's my daughter.
Cheering is good.
Yes.
But if you stand up there and you say, lick him down, lick him down. Not make him pass, lick him down. While the coach is saying defense. And you say, lick him down.
But that's a form of defense.
No.
Oh.
No. Lick him down is not a form of defense at all.
Just like,
which is why they have fouls.
In karate, licking him down is a good thing.
No.
Okay, never mind then.
That's the second thing.
Your child has lost interest in the activity.
Yeah. Because your mother ball out, lick him down.
Yeah.
You're going to lose interest after a while because you said to yourself,
yeah,
everybody going to know want to come lick me down thanks to my mother. So no.
But you know the parents at the games who get into fights, like literal fights with other parents because it's crazy, you guys.
But if you sit down there, hear somebody that tells somebody to lick down your
You're going to fight. You're going to fight. Fight?
Yeah. But if your child has lost interest, it means you're too much.
At one time, I thought she was going to be like a world-class swimmer because coach was like, come, stadium time. And then I was like, come, Erin, time to go to swimming. And she was like, don't want to do it anymore, Mama. So you stop.
Yeah.
It's not she can help herself in the pool and you go to go.
Just go in that room, go ball and say, here goes my Olympic medal.
No, because I believe in channeling your child into doing what they want. At this stage, yes, man. Whatever them love and what their passion is, that's when they will do their best. The blame game. You find yourself criticizing the teacher, the organizer, or the other kids for making making your child lose. And you want to lick him down.
And when
no,
it done,
not
you
me.
cuss the coach in front of the child.
Yes, not
what
good.
kind of idiot thing that you do, coach? You see what you do? You bench my picnic.
Yes.
That's why I don't lose.
That happens a lot.
Put on my picnic.
That happens a lot.
Lose.
Yes. And this is women and men, by the way.
Yeah.
Because some of those fathers, boy, let me tell
Oh.
you. When other parents start to avoid you, they don't avoid me, Mom. They just look at me strangely.
Other parents start avoiding
different.
you, then come on now. Come on now. Well, I don't know if the overcompetitive parent cares. Because
They probably
when they're
think
running
they're
up
probably
and down
thinking
on the
something's
side-
wrong with the other
Did you
parent.
hear her tell Dr. Phil? So when she up on the sideline and run
Everybody
up
else
and down
is
on a
wrong.
chair and
Yeah.
everybody sit down, should I care? Should I care? Oh
All
my
right,
God.
this last one is very important.
You are living
Your
your
dream.
dream and not the child's. I'm telling you.
Yeah, a lot of us live vicariously through our
Yeah,
children.
yeah, yeah.
When we were younger, we wanted to do X, but we never got the chance, and now we have the child, and you best believe it's going to be done through them.
Yeah.
That's why a lot of parents end up frustrating their poor children. Can you imagine a child being on 3 basketball team one time?
One time.
Cannot be good. It's a full-time job.
Or they had a dream deferred, so
3
the child
full-time
must
jobs.
pursue it. So I didn't get to compete at a certain level. I did run champs level, but no, I want my child to go Olympics. So
I'm sorry.
You have
Are
to run.
I don't know. Are you throwing word? Oh, just checking. Just checking.
No,
Oh.
no, I don't know any
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
parent. I can't say that I
But
would have known any parent that would
That
have.
also happens when the child is of age and ready to go to university. We're talking this morning about jobs that are not traditional, as have come about. I know your daughter can be, or your son can be a stylist.
Yeah.
But a lot of parents still don't think their kids can amount to much if they're not lawyers,
Yeah.
doctors,
I
Indian
met
chiefs.
a parent and he said to me daily, I don't know. He said, my daughter just wants to do theater. Him say, I insisted she do medicine. Him said she do it, she graduate. She did very well, but every day she still talk about wanting to do it. And I said, because that's her passion,
her
sir.
passion.
I said, she did the medicine for you.
Yeah.
So you should now let her do what she wants to do for herself.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
What if she's starving?
She not gonna stop.
Okay.
She not gonna
All right.
stop.
I hear you. And sometimes there's a rough patch before you get up and running anyway.
Yeah.
So
You see, I tell people that I think when it comes to the creative work, people want instant gratification, and that's a challenge I have because I said this to some students. I said medical students go to school for a long time,
Intern.
and even when they're done, they have to do internships, and even when they're medical doctors, they still have to keep upgrading themselves and going to seminars and workshops. We just want to say we can act and go on the stage and act and get Denzel money
Ock.
overnight, and me's a actor. You know, it don't work that way. All professions have to. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
So
if you see some of the competitive parents at JCDC festival, make them not get the gold medal.
I
no?
screamed there too,
Make them not
admittedly.
get the gold medal. They not
Okay.
under the-
That's it for Girl Talk for this
Glory.
week. That's it for the show? So we're going to
it
wrap
for
now?
the show.
All right. Adios, everybody. Have a fantastic Tuesday. Thank you for being with us. Dale's going to get some well-deserved sleep, and I'm going to work. Speaking of
You
working,
deserve it. Woo, that snap was so good.
yeah, was.